Delkevic. What is up, everybody? We are here with the Delkevic full exhaust system for the Yamaha FZ09. Now, I just got back from the dealership because apparently they had a very small recall for the lower handlebar holder. So, at least I got my baby back. My baby's back. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh. Right, so we got the clamp to hold the exhaust in the back, and we got even silicone exhaust sealant. That is very useful. You will need that. So let's see what we got here. Ooh, this the headers. As you can see, it comes in very good packaging. So we will set these down here. There is the silencer and baffle in here. Oh man, and this is gonna be cool as hell. Silencer fitting instructions. Congratulations on your choice of a Delkevic silencer. Awesome. Ooh, a nice little Delkevic sticker. Don't want to lose that. Oh, that is cool. Delkevic, I gotta hand it to you. It is pretty cool. Now, let's open this bad boy up. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boys. So I'll take this out of the bag to completely show you guys. Look at that. That is amazing. Amazing. Good construction. Alright guys, that is a Delkevic system. Now I'm going to go on a quick ride and show you how the stock exhausts sound. What you're gonna need for this, the actual system to take it off, I don't think you really need this. If you have one, have a 22mm ratchet for the O2 sensor over here. Have a 12mm ratchet just in case anything, gets a bit tight to take off. Make sure you have an extension, a ratchet, and a 12mm socket. So this is the actual full exhaust system that we're going to be putting on. There's the headers, the mid-pipe, and the exhaust. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with the actual removal of those header bolts. Let's loosen the bolts. Loosen number 1. Loosen number 2. So now we got those loosened. We're gonna try and get the O2 sensor loose. So with that, since I don't have a 22mm wrench, I'm gonna be using an adjustable wrench to try and get this baby off. Oh god, this gonna be a bitch. Oh well. So now let's get our ratchet. Reach for that bolt right in there. Let's break it loose. There you go. Now watch out for that, because that is also what holds this back part. So now what we're going to do is we're going to completely loosen the front bolts, and then we're going to loosen that, and we're going to slowly try and bring it out. Alright, so all the bolts are off. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put on a glove and hold the cat on the back. Let's pull this bolt out. Oh, there's another one in the back. Never mind. I completely forgot. Right here. Now watch out, because these do have a tendency of falling, so you have to be extremely careful. There you go. Now the exhaust system is off. That wasn't too bad. Look at that. It's as easy as it's 1, 2, 3. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put the gaskets in there and put this on next. Alright guys, after a while of trial and error, I finally got the headers on. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting on the mid-pipe. The mid-pipe and then the final part. So now what you're going to do is you have this nice little thing that Delkevic provides you for. It is silicone exhaust sealant. Now this is, you will want to put this. So what you're going to do, gonna put a nice little bit of silicone on each of these little bits of flaps. Now what we're gonna do is that's actually what we need to do first, before I forget, is we need to get this other little thing off. So since this is just the closest thing nearby, we use these vice grips to kind of just turn it a little bit, because it wasn't turning with just my hand. It's totally the wrong tool. That's the fun part. Make sure you do not cross thread this, whatever you do. Now make sure you tighten this up very well. Want to make sure you have the clamp on beforehand, because otherwise you'll look like a dumb bitch like I am. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna tighten it up. Now I'm pretty sure this is a 5mm. So yep, there you go. So now you gotta put on the slip-on. There you go. Just like that. My GoPro decided to die on me, so I had to go inside and get another battery. Alright then everybody, we're back and it's finished. Look at that. It's on there correctly. It's all tightened. The header bolts are tightened. The clamps are all tightened. Now, the only thing left to do is actually to hear the sucker. So, cue the clip. I wonder how this is going to sound. It's going to be insane. That's freaking crazy. Let's go ride it. Anyways guys, that was an exhaust well, not really an exhaust review, but that's how that thing sounds. Delkevic little shorty pipe. Holy crap, that thing. Freaking Delkevic, man. Power!